Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, LuvNailsNicole. Today I am back to share with you guys some nail mail that I got just the other day. Y'all know that recently a video I was doing, I gotta turn it this way y'all because my address is on it. Okay, so I just took it out the box, but yeah, I showed you guys, I was soaking off my acrylic nails using these. These are their old packaging, and it came in like a tight Ziploc package. This one isn't open yet, but it's not as tight as it was, and I think over some time that they were drying out. So she contacted me and let me know that they have in new packaging. So I was like, yeah, I want to try it. I had this on my porch the other day, nice big box. Last time it was this size box. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna see what they sent me. So this box is so big, I'm hoping you guys will be able to see everything. I'm gonna lift it up. I haven't opened it yet. And again, this is from SNailsNails. Soak off remover gloves. Pure acetone. You can get them in pure acetone and you can get them in regular nail polish remover also. You do not have to get acetone. That's just what I prefer. It works the best for, like, you know, acrylics, gels, soaking off acrylics, all that good stuff. Alrighty, ow. Almost cut my finger off, y'all. Oh, not, oh, I see some goodies. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so these are their new packaging. Alright. So you see the L on top of that, on top of the lids. These are the sizes. You can get small, medium, and large. You see I have big hands. So I got large. Oh my God, how awesome. Oh, look y'all. I'm gonna be I'll put some of these in the giveaway. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. So I got some really cool files. Look at that. This is like a plastic, hard plastic here. Flip it around. You've got your emery board, your file. Let me test that out right now. My nails are jacked. I know at this point it's been like a week. So it's time to come off because they just started to chip like yesterday. I did all that chipping yesterday and the day before. So, oh, this is a good file. I like this. Okay. So it says their website on the file. SNailsNails.com. I really like this. I like how it has this little like handle on it too, so you can hold it like this and you know. Alright, we'll put that one there since I used it. Okay, I'm gonna lower this down a little bit because I cannot see what I'm showing y'all. Oops, maybe I gotta move that now. Okay, so let's look at this new packaging. Alright, so they're gonna put them in these containers now so they will not dry out, which is probably a really good idea. So the front just has their sticker on it, and then it tells you, because you can get different amounts of gloves in different packages that you just order whichever one you prefer. So this is a 5 individually wrapped pair Snails gloves, and it says here nail polish remover, and it has the 100% pure acetone, so you'll know that it is the acetone. This one says the same here. Really nice. Alright, so open it. Very easy to open. Oh, okay, so what they did was put their wrapped packages down in here. Oh, and they're smaller too. So that's nice, because see how much bigger. So this is really good for storing in here. It's a good size. So that's what that one looks like. And then you have your 2 pair of gloves in the inside. And I'm not sure if you guys can see, but you can see the liquid in the glove through the package. So you've got all 5 pair. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And they all fit perfectly inside the little canister. So that is nice. I'm so glad, because I was holding on to my last ones like for dear life because I did not want to run out, because I love using them. Since it's time for me to take off this nail polish I have on, and it has this really hard to get off holographic top coat on it, we'll go ahead and test out a pair. And then go ahead and open them. Let's see. So I want to make sure that I'm not cutting the glove. So I'm just going to cut here at this part. Oh yeah, they're nice and moist. Yes. Okay. And they do have that acetone scent to them, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. You see my nails, it has a thick coat of glitter on it, which is usually always hard to get off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hand in. And what you do is just put the pad in front of your nail. And then I just push them down like that. And then just kind of fix them. Pull the glove down. And then what I also do is just push, just to, you know, get the liquid on them, make sure they're on there good, so they can start soaking. And that's it. And then, like, you know, I told y'all in the last video, you can use your phone, any touchscreen devices. You can do that while you're wearing your gloves. Go ahead and put on the other one. If you guys have not yet checked them out, please make sure you guys go and check them out. This is such an awesome product. I think that once the word really gets out there on their gloves, that they're going to be pretty big. These are amazing. Okay, so I have this one on. Push it down. And they're very like strong too. I'm not like ripping them, no holes, nothing. So I'm gonna do the same with this one. Just push down, and you can see it's already working. See my nail polish showing through here. This one, they're already taking it off. You can see through there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let them soak. 15 to 20 minutes should be about all I need. Probably not even 20 minutes since this is nail polish, but we'll see. I'm going to check the time and time it and see how long it takes before I pull them off, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, I am back. I set my timer for 15 minutes, so it's been 15 minutes since I have let them soak. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling them off to take a look and see if they're ready to go off. So I also do this just before I pull them off. Just kind of rub around the cotton pad, and it's still very moist. I can feel the liquid when I squeeze them, so they're still nice and you know, moist with the remover in them. So I'm just kind of moving it around just to make sure it comes off good. You don't have to do this, but I just figure it'll help. A good way to maybe check too, since these are see-through, is just kind of lift it and boom, there you go. So you could tell they're ready. I just thought about that while I was rubbing them off. So let's check. Yep, they look pretty good. Let me check the thumbs. Yeah, go ahead and pull them off here. Okay, so that's what they look like after pulling them off. You can see the nail polish inside of them. Took it all off. Here's the thumb one. Yep. Okay, sit those down. Pull these off. My hand's still a little wet. There's that one. See the nail polish in them. 15 minutes, all done. So, yep. I just have to do the usual cleanup, file them, buff them, get off any extra little gook that's left on them. And I'm all done. File them up with my new file. I like this file. Alright, so yeah, that is it, y'all. So you guys, like I said earlier, please make sure you guys go ahead and go check out SNailsNails. They are on Instagram at SNailsNailsOfficial, also on Twitter, also on Facebook. And then their website is here on the nail file. You can find them at SNailsNails.com. And like always, I will leave a direct link in the description box to where you guys can click that link and go straight to their website and go check them out. I actually, right now, I'm going to put in a screen record of their website for you guys to see a little bit of the prices and how they're, you know, what different packages you guys can pick from. But yes, please make sure you guys check them out. Give them a follow. And thank you guys so much for watching today. I appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys would like to see more of these. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you comment below. Let me know that you watched and visited today. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And turn that notification bell on so you guys will know when my next video is up. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.